Hello everyone, in this video we will be discussing the top 4 institutes for IIT JEE preparations in your city Nagpur. Before beginning the video, kindly subscribe our channel and press the bell icon below. So let's start. At rank 1 for the best IIT JEE preparations in Nagpur, we have Sharda classes. The address includes 59 Vidya Vihar beside Dr. Patil Hospital, Pratap Nagar Square, Nagpur, Maharashtra 440022. Their contact number is 098 230 41157. The fee structure of this institute includes a sum of rupees 1.9 lakh. So, the Sharda coaching is one of the best coaching center in Nagpur, and this institute is basically well known for NEET, JEE Main and JEE Advanced, and also for 11th-12th coaching classes. Their main motive is to achieve an immortal career in this mortal world. Moreover, the faculty is highly skilled and qualified in the teaching process. The study materials are matchless and very catchy. Further, more important about infrastructure, the infrastructure is also great in this institute. The staff is nice and excellent in their own work. They are also excellent for IIT JEE preparations. At rank 2, we have Bansal classes. So, the address of Bansal classes is Saraf Chambers Annexe, Mount Road, Sadar, Nagpur, Maharashtra 440001. Their email ID is admin.nagpur@bansal.ac.in and the website includes www.bansal.ac.in. Now, let us discuss some of the key features that why you should go for Bansal classes. So, the very first feature is they provide flexible learning through various learning methods. At second, we have their coaching institutes comprises of experienced faculty. Further, the residential facility is made available to students who want to stay there during the preparation period. At number 4, we have the institute offers 24/7 support through website live chat and their toll-free number. At last, Bansal classes has been consistently delivering excellent results over the years. Okay, so at rank 3, we have Resonance Institute. The address is 2nd floor, Sanskritik Sankul Building, Jhansi Rani Square, Sita Buldi, Nagpur 440012. Their email ID includes nagpur@resonance.ac.in and their official website is www.resonance.ac.in. Now, let us discuss some of the key features of this institute. The very first is they run learner-centric and performance-based programs. A wide range of academic programs are organized for the upliftment of students. Further, provision for distance and e-learning courses are also available, which is a need of the hour in this COVID pandemic. Further, counseling and support cell are present in order to guide students throughout. So here, you will also get counseling and a support cell whenever you will need that. Finally, exceptional success and results are produced every year. So, at rank 4, we have Akash Institute. The address is 1st floor, JP Square, West High Court Road, Law College Square, Nagpur 440010. Their email ID is info.afs@aesl.in and their official website is www.akash.ac.in. Now, let us discuss some of the key features of Akash Institute. The very first is they provide repeater dropper classes for IIT JEE. So, if you are a dropper, you can go for this institute as they provide dropper classes for IIT JEE. Further, they provide small batches so that each and every individual gets proper attention and there could be interaction between students and the teacher. Excellent study materials are provided by their renowned faculty. Moreover, they offer test preparatory courses for engineering and medical entrance exams such as IIT JEE, NEET, AIIMS and JIPMER. Further, they also provide easy to understand animated audio video tips which are accessible through SD card. No internet is required, so anyone can access them easily. These were the top 4 institutes for your IIT JEE preparations in your city, Nagpur. Apart from this, I'd like to mention about one more institute, which is The Hindu Zone. So you can connect to this institute by going to their website, which is www.thehinduzone.com. When you will connect to this institute, what will happen is they will provide you with free counseling session. So if any student has confusion that which institute is best according to their course, this counseling session will definitely help them. I hope you have got enough information regarding these institutes. For more information like this, kindly subscribe our channel and press the bell icon below. Thank you so much for watching this video.